Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I'm going to explain with you very important chapter or very humorous chapter. The name of the chapter is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. And this is a comic strip. Comic strip means the story that is explained through pictures and having some कॉमिक एलिमेंट जो कहानी आपको पिक्चर्स के थ्रू बताई जाए और जिसमें कुछ फन हो तो ऐसी स्ट्रिप को कॉमिक स्ट्रिप कहते हैं. Let's begin the story of Gopal and Hilsa Fish. Two are most important character. One is Gopal and second one is Hilsa Fish. It was the season for Hilsa Fish. Fishermen could think of nothing about Hilsa Fish. Look at the first picture. You can see some fishermen, they are catching the fish. So it was the season of Hilsa Fish and fishermen were busy in catching them. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa Fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. All the fish sellers are selling only one type of fish, दैट इज़ हिल्सा फिश. बच्चों जैसे सब्जियों के सीज़न आते हैं ना, कुछ समर्स की होती है, कुछ विंटर्स की होती हैं, ऐसे ही इस वक्त हिल्सा फिश का सीज़न चल रहा था. हर कोई सिर्फ हिल्सा फिश के बारे में ही बात कर रहा था. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa Fish. Householders means all the people in the house, father, mother, children, neighbors, everyone was talking only about Hilsa Fish. How much did you pay for that, Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. One lady asked to a fishmonger, "Oh, what is the price of Hilsa?" Then fishmonger said, "Oh lady, if I tell you the price, you will not believe you because today the prices are very down. Take it this Hilsa Fish." And in the palace, two the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa Fish. In the you can say in the palace of the king, all the courtiers were also discussing the Hilsa Fish. In the picture you can see सारे दरबारी भी Hilsa Fish की बात कर रहे थे. One of the courtiers said to king, "Your Majesty," Majesty means Maharaj, "you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was." Now that courtier was telling about one huge means big Hilsa fish. And he said to king, "Oh king, I caught a very huge Hilsa fish. Do you see?" Now king got angry. King said, "Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman?" Now king got angry on that courtier and said to him, "Are you a fisherman? What you are talking?" Nowadays, king was very fed up only by listening about Hilsa Fish because everyone was talking about Hilsa Fish. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. Now, because the king shouted at him, so the courtier looked downwards and felt very ashamed. And the king also feel guilty. But on the another hand, king also realizes his mistake. And king said, "I'm sorry, I lost my temper." And the king said to the courtier, "Oh courtier, please apologize me because I lose my temper, so I scold you. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one." And now king said, "Oh, it is the season of Hilsa fish and everyone is talking about Hilsa. I'm so fed up. So I shout at you, so please don't mind it." Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Now king said to Gopal, "Oh Gopal, I think you are also one of them who is talking about Hilsa fish and you are also not able to stop people to talk about Hilsa fish." Gopal is this man who having a bald head, गंजा सर जिसका है, this person is Gopal. The second one is courtier and this huge man is king. Gopal said, "Oh, I think I could, your majesty." But Gopal was very confident. Gopal said, "Oh king, I hope that I could stop people to talk about हिल्सा फिश. नहीं राजा जी, मैं तो लोगों को हिल्सा के बारे में बातें करने से रोक सकता हूँ. Then let me see. You buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Now King give a challenge to Gopal. And what is that challenge? Okay, go in the market and bought one hilsa fish. And bought that hilsa fish in my palace. But the condition is that nobody will talk about hilsa fish on that day. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Now Gopal was very confident. Gopal said, Okay, My Majesty, I accepted your challenge. A few days later, look at here, students. Why is your face half shaven? The lady of the house, the Gopal's wife, was very tensed after looking her husband. She asked to her husband, Oh, what happened to you? Why you are half shaven your face? अरे क्या हो गया है तुमको? तुमने ये आधी दाढ़ी क्यों बनाई हुई है? Gopal said, I am dressing up to buy a fish. Oh, I am going in the market and I am dressing up for buying that fish. कि मैं मछली खरीदने जा रहा हूँ और मछली खरीदने जाने के लिए मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ. The lady thought, oh, today my husband gone mad. मेरा husband तो आज पागल हो गया है. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Now in the second picture, look at the expression of the lady. Now lady became more astonished and she asked once again to Gopal, what you are doing my husband? Why you are smearing ash on your face? अरे अपने चेहरे पे ये राख क्यों रगड़ रहे हो? Are you gonna mad? क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो? I told you, I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish, but Gopal remained cool, calm and comfortable and said, Oh, I told you na that I am going to buy hilsa fish, कि मैं hilsa fish purchase करने जा रहा हूँ, so I have taken this get up और उसी के लिए मैंने ये get up लिया है. Now lady said, listen to me please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. Rags, look at the picture. Gopal is wearing torn clothes just like a beggar. Oh please, for God's sake Gopal, you can't go outside wearing such type of torn clothes. Oh मेरे husband, कहाँ जा रहे हो ये फटे पुराने कपड़े पहन के? What are you up to? What happened to you? What are you doing? तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो गया है? क्या कर रहे हो ये? How many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a huge filsa. Once again, Gopal said to his wife, Why you are bothering so much, my dear wife? Many times I told you I am going to purchase hilsa fish. कितनी बार तो तुम्हें बता चुका हूँ, hilsa fish लेने जा रहा हूँ. It's happened to him. He is gone mad. Now by saying this, Gopal went away and the wife thought that today my husband gone mad. इसके साथ कभी कभी ऐसा ही होता है, आज मेरा husband पागल हो गया. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? Now in the picture you can see here is a little boy. He addressing his finger to Gopal and said to his mom, Mom, look at that man. How much comical that person is. He is looking just like a joker. Who is that fellow? Now Gopal purchased hilsa fish on the same time from the market and start moving towards the palace. He must be a madman. Shh! I think he is a mistake. Now rest of the person were also talking about Gopal. Some were guessing that he is a mad fellow. Some said, oh no, he is a mystic fellow. कुछ कहते हैं पागल आदमी है, दूसरे कहते हैं पागल नहीं, रहस्यमय आदमी है, कुछ ना कुछ तो रहस्य होगा. Now he crossed the market area and he reached outside the court. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? The soldiers on the gate stopped Gopal and said, What do you want? Why you are here? I want to see the king. Gopal said, Oh, I want to see the king. I want to meet the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Just like a beggar, the soldier, you can say harsh word to the Gopal and said, Go away from here. जैसे कि हम भिखारी को भगाते हैं ना, चल हट हट चलो यहाँ से. इन द सिमिलर मैनर सोल्जर उसको गोपाल को बोलता है, नहीं राजा से नहीं मिल सकते, जाओ यहाँ से, जाओ यहाँ से. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Now Gopal was unexpectedly started dancing and singing loudly and making hue and cry everywhere there was noise created. अब गोपाल क्या करता है, तेज तेज चिल्लाने लगता है, गाने गाने लगता है, नाचने लगता है और बहुत ज़्यादा शोर मचाता है. The king inside the palace listened him. The man is crazy. What happened? There is a madman. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Then the courtier said to king, "O king, one crazy man wanted to meet you. He said that he wanted to meet you. Bring that man to me at once." Now king said, "Okay, go and bring that man to me. लेकर आओ, कौन है आदमी?" "Yes, your majesty." And now the soldier went to bring Gopal. Gopal was brought before the king. "It's Gopal!" And king immediately recognized Gopal and said, "Oh Gopal, it's you. What happened to you?" Now rest of the courtiers were whispering, "The man has lost his mind. Oh, Gopal gone mad. Gopal pagal ho gaya hai. I think it's one of his crazy joke." Another said, "I think today he is going to crack any joke." Now king asked, "All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" Ridiculous मतलब disgusting, मतलब इस बेकार से भद्दे से क्लोथ्स में और एक गंदे से अटायर्स में और लुक में क्यों आए हो तुम? What happened? "Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something." Gopal was very happy. Gopal tried to recall king about his challenge and said, "Oh my dear Majesty, I think that you have forgotten something." आप कुछ भूल रहे हैं. King started to recall. Forgotten something? कुछ भूल रहा हूँ? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in the Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. King, here is the Hilsa fish from the market and also in the palace and also in the court. Nobody today is talking about Hilsa fish. Now, king, recall your words. Are you recall your challenge? Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Now the king started laughing as he recalled about his challenge and said, "Ha ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. Yes, Gopal, only you can did this. I'm proud of you. Once again, you prove that you are the wisest man of my court." And like this, the story ended. And this story, student, give you the lesson that in the unfavorable situation and in the difficult situation, always remain cool, calm, and comfortable. Think properly, use your brain, and then you can make any difficult situation favorable for you. Goodbye, student. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.